First graders, okay, we are back to do another opinion writing, and this time our topic is your favorite place. So before we start, I want you to take a minute. I want you to close your eyes, and in your mind, I want you to picture that you are in your very favorite place in the whole world. Okay? Now that could be going to visit somebody that you love. That could be going to a special restaurant that you enjoy to get to eat at. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you what type of place it needs to be. It can be a city, it can be a building, it can be somebody's house, it could be your own house. It could be a restaurant, a park. It could be someplace you go if you're part of a team or a dance class. Okay, what is one of your very favorite places to go? And why? What do you do when you're there? Okay, think about what it is you do that makes that place so special to you. Okay, what do you have traditions for that place? Is it a place you go a lot, or is it a place you only go to once in a while? Okay, so I want you to have those ideas in your head. And if you've got those ideas, then we're ready to start. Okay, so here is the page we're working on today, my favorite place. Okay, now you may remember that we're starting each one with the same set of words in the introduction. In my opinion, I think that what? Say that with me. In my opinion, I think that, and let's write that down. In my opinion, remember you can pause anytime you need more time. In my opinion, comma, I think that, okay, and what's our topic? The best place. So I think that the best place is, okay, or you could put it down as my favorite place is. So in my opinion, I think that the best place or my favorite place is, I'm going to choose Seattle, and some of you might remember why. Okay, I'm picking Seattle because that's where my nieces and my nephews live, and three of my brothers and my sister-in-law. I have a lot of family up in Seattle. So I really like Seattle. Okay? So in my opinion, I think that the best place is Seattle. Now we're going to slow down and share details. So those are our yellow sentences. Okay, we slow down. I feel this way because. Yellow is what we are all writing, blue is our own thinking. I feel this way because is how we will start. The next sentence. I feel this, remember to use up your space, way because, and what was the reason I told you? A lot of my family is there. Okay, and end with a period. So there's one of my details on why I like Seattle so much. So now we'll use our second detail sentence. So we slow down again here on yellow. I also think this because. I also think this because. We're all going to use those words. I also think this. Ooh, I'm not going to have room to write because here, so I'm going to move on to the next line. Because And another thing I love about Seattle, aside from my family being there, is I love to visit the Pike Place Market. It's just lots of fun, all these little stalls set up, and it's just always one of my favorite places to visit while I'm there. So I'm going to say because Pike's Place is in Seattle. Okay, and that took up that page. Now, because I'm done with this page, I'm going to move to the back to do my conclusion. Do you remember which words we used to begin our conclusion? Okay, if you said, that is why I think, you were correct. And you can always look back at that page for help. So, that is why I think that the best place is Seattle. And end with your period. Okay, so that is what we are doing today, and hopefully you have been working on those each day this week so that they are all done. And I am, as always, I'm excited to hear what your opinions are and to see your wonderful writing. See you soon. Bye.